Alright, so Isha, tell me, who do you think is going to win? Before we begin,
Isn't it but obvious? Like,
you're going to win, right?
ठीक है, I'll give you a few answers. I'll let you take a few.
Okay.
What about you?
You know what? I think you will win. You know why? Because I'm not going to lie.
Ah.
Right? You're going to lie.
Let's begin this quiz now.
Hey guys, welcome to this video, and today we are back with another interesting vlog. So firstly, thank you to each and every one of you for giving so much of love to our previous videos wherein Isha has also featured, and Isha did not know that you guys will like her presence in the videos that much. So thank you from her side
Thank you.
and my side to all of you for showing so much of love to us. So as you know, we are all locked in, we are quarantined everywhere in the world. So obviously I am finding it difficult to find, content which is outdoors. So nonetheless, we are coming up with some interesting ideas that we can feature in these videos. This is new content. I hope you guys enjoy, this new series that we are doing together, wherein Isha is
Coupley stuff.
Yeah, that's right.
So lots of couples are sitting at home and just wasting time here and there randomly with the children, and so we thought, why not just do an activity together for a change rather than nagging and cribbing.
So today is going to be an interesting video. We are going to be doing a challenge, a couples challenge together, wherein there's a quiz, and we're going to be asking questions, and obviously each one of us has their way of replying. That's
Who's giving the points now?
Well, we'll keep a track of there's no points, because I think the best judge would be you audience there. Whatever little you know of us, some of you are, I'm sure, friends and family who are watching this, so you guys know who's speaking the truth. Is she speaking the truth, or am I speaking the truth? So with that being said, we are both very excited for this video, and let's get straight into it.
Yep.
Alright, so we are back with our placards, and let's begin this video.
Okay guys, so here's a list of these questions which I have noted down, and we're just going to dive straight into it.
Okay, great. Let's begin.
Question number 1. Who's up first in the morning?
That's simple.
So number 2, who takes longer to get ready?
Of course, I mean, that's also has to be.
Who said the I love you first? Maybe? Oops.
What do you know?
Did we like counter each other?
Okay, alright. I thought what you said.
You thought?
I think.
You don't remember.
Who said? I said.
See, I think we're gonna end up in a like big fist fight.
Why?
You better answer truly.
What you said, right?
Maybe you tricked me into it, but I think it was you.
What do you mean that I tricked you into it?
Tricked me
मतलब
into
trick कर
saying
दिया
it
तुम्हें
first.
प्यार में ट्रिक कर दिया मैंने.
क्यों नहीं? अच्छा ठीक है. I think it was me.
Alright. No, I didn't have to convince you, but yeah.
Okay, next one. Who mentioned marriage first? Very. Then who makes all the decisions?
Yeah, well, it's difficult for you to answer this. Of course.
Huh? Hello. See, I'm telling you, you're asking
What?
for it. You're asking for a big
Me?
one.
Of course, I take all the
Makes all the
makes all the decisions, and who takes them?
I make
Achha,
them.
you? Okay.
I make them. You take them. Like, let's put it that.
All right, we'll give this to her.
So who is the messiest?
Of course.
Fine, I take it. Who is more into their looks?
That's.
I mean, like, he's
as
no
simple.
less. You're pretty much
Conscious. I'm conscious of my
About
looks,
it.
of course, and
your fragrances and the appearance and the So next is who spends more money?
Spends more money.
If I have it in my wallet.
I'm quite enjoying this actually, you know.
Who likes to shop more? But obvious.
Well, one second, what did you... Me and her both, so...
Actually, you know less.
Yeah,
the
I'm
online.
also-
He's the online shopper, and I'm offline.
Yeah, she's like the conventional shopper who likes to go to the markets, malls, and I'm more of the e-com, you know, the online shopper. So, yeah, me and her both.
And then, who has a bigger wardrobe?
Okay, this is a tough one. This is a
It's
tough
like,
one.
yeah, like equal sort of good. I have a lot of my pre-pregnancy and post-pregnancy wardrobe, so it's just all accumulated.
So we'll give this to her. Who has a bigger wardrobe?
So after this baby, we're going to just clear up and start all over again, and then answer this question.
Okay. Great. So far, so good. Enjoying this.
You can ask a few now.
Where were we?
Bigger wardrobe. Who is grumpier in the morning?
Who's grumpier in the morning? Yeah.
Ta-da. Who does most of the cooking?
Good cook. She's a good cook. So I'll give this to her. Hands down. Who's the better driver? Any day.
Yeah.
It's a no-brainer. Okay, so
Who cleans more?
oh, this is like who cleans more? This, you know, it's there cannot be any other
Okay,
answer to this.
I
Who
have
cleans more?
Lots of things to do. If I had more hours, I'll clean more.
But we all have 24 hours.
No, but they're not
Good
with
excuse.
the two babies.
Good excuse. Come up with a better one next time.
Who does the dishes?
Both. I also
Yeah, we
her and me. I would say more me. I am more of the dish person.
Dishwasher.
Yeah, if I have to, of course.
Who is always running late?
Is that a question? What do you mean? Who's running late? She's asking me. It's her, of course.
Oh no, but who takes a longer shower? Okay.
Who takes a longer shower?
Except for
anyway?
days when you have to shave. Yeah.
Yeah, right. But
Yeah.
then even the days that I'm shaving as well, I'm.
When you're in your party zone.
Okay, let's not bring that up on camera when I am in my party zone. But well, anyways, even if I am shaving, I'm still ready before her. So, and I think that's true for any girl. So, this is quite a simple one.
I'm pretty much on time, just a few minutes here and there.
Few minutes. We'll call that few minutes. You know, if it's half an hour, 1 hour, it's few minutes.
Okay, who is the biggest baby when they get sick? Like big time.
This is.
You can't
that's
even
right.
talk to him.
Yeah, that's true actually. You know, if I'm sick, I just want to be in my cave, and I just don't like people irritating me, and I want to get fine.
Irritating is an understatement.
Yeah, I want to get well as soon as I do everything. My mind, my body, everything is just into getting back onto my feet. So yeah, that's me.
So, who holds their liquor better? I've not been drinking much.
Oh,
so
this is
how do I
any
answer
day.
this? Yeah.
That's right.
Who has the best taste in decorating? Decorating. Pretty okay. Hello. Do you look around you?
Yeah. Okay, decorating. So when I have to.
I think we give it 50-50.
Yeah, when I have to, I also give my fair bit. But I think both of us. But I would stick to this one more.
Who has the best taste in music?
Oh,
Yeah.
you guys, if you watch my videos, you know what I mean. The music, because I feel music is a very
He's
integral part.
smooth with his music.
So I feel like that the music really plays a very very pivotal role in anything. Like any video, it can transform just about anything. Like your home ambience, your mornings. If you listen to nice morning motivation music or chants or anything, that's great. In the evening, it could relax you. In the videos, it can entirely change the whole fabric of the video. And all you people who are creators who are watching this, you know what I mean. When you get that right track for the video. Who cooks more often? Any day. And she's a good cook.
Yeah.
Who does the laundry?
But obvious.
Yeah. Who snores the most? Okay, so do you want me to bring this up on camera? Okay, she
I have
doesn't
nothing
snore.
to hide.
She doesn't snore really, but once, like occasional, I'll probably hear, and I hear the same from her. So
Okay. We all know.
yeah. What did you write? What?
You snore.
I snore proper.
Of course you do.
Okay, thanks for informing me. And
okay,
I
maybe
don't
not
know.
every day, but days when you're like so tired.
Okay, yeah, that could be there. That if I'm really like exhausted, tired,
Yeah.
probably snore a little.
I'm listening to the music. Who apologizes first after an argument? Then we have.
Who is smarter? Who is smarter?
You can answer that.
With zipping my mouth.
Okay, fine.
Who's funnier? Okay,
Smart and funny are going hand
in hand.
Yeah.
But when it comes to jokes, I'm funny. But when it's
Yeah, you've got a good sense of humor.
so when it's jokes, it's me. But when it's poor jokes, which is PJ's, it's her. PJ's, she takes the cake. But when it's jokes, it's me.
Acha, is this the last one?
Who is more creative? I will. You know what? I don't want to answer this. I just don't want to answer this. What?
Besides your this creativity,
Did you just hear?
I'm doing all the kids' work.
मैंने पहले ही बोला था. I said the
activities.
beginning of the video. I said it
Saari
that she's going to
creativity. That's not true. This is true.
What is true?
I'm creative. Who did the creative course? Invent.
Oh yeah, right.
And you.
Okay.
This and this.
Who made the first move? Okay, I remember now.
Hare,
She made the first move.
you are cheating now.
You didn't make the first move. The message किया था. She was wanting to, like all
You
girls.
took my number. Excuse me. You took my number.
So I took, but who?
And you texted me.
Yeah, but
And recall.
I just texted
So
you.
text
Like
means-
I texted
text means
her
the
my
move,
number.
no?
But who made the first move? I texted you saying, "Hey, this is me."
So texting means made the first.
So guys, whoever is watching,
Okay, just keep
if
arguing on
you
this.
send your number to a girl and be like, "Hey, this is me," right? And you leave it there. And then after a few days, the girl sends you a message. What does that mean? Making the first move. And the answer to that is her.
Oh, okay.
Who is a better dresser? Who is a better dresser? I think I'll just lie once in this video.
समझ आ गई है. ये सारा rigged video है, ठीक है ना?
ये
Don't
कोई
want
रिग
what
नहीं है.
all he's
ये
saying.
सारे सही आंसर दिए हैं. All of these answers are correct to the best of my knowledge. Who has the worst temper?
I'm very agree.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm the more patient.
Oh yes, that's right. She is.
That's
She
where I
has more
control my
patience. She is more understanding. Definitely, hands down. She knows how to handle situations when I lose my temper or something. So I'll give you that. So are we done?
Yeah, so I guess that's the end of it. We're done with our questionnaire now, guys. I hope you enjoyed listening to our questionnaire, and if you want to try these out for yourself, you feel free to ask us and we'll post you the questions. And hope you enjoyed watching. And do share and subscribe to our channel, don't forget. And we're going to be coming up with some more videos. We have some more concepts in mind, and but please feel free to tell us what else you want us to do or come up with.
If you also want to suggest us something, please feel free. And for some of you who have been writing in saying that you've enjoyed watching Isha's appearances in the videos, here she is, and we're trying to come up with some. Well, yeah, I mean, a lot of you out there have been writing in.
I'll be around, guys. You'll see me often.
Okay, so guys, with that being said, we'd like to end this video here, and we'll be back with another interesting video very, very soon. Stay tuned, stay positive, stay healthy, and we'll see you guys in the next video very soon. Take care and goodbye.
More like
that
one?
Yeah.
Like that one.
Go.